up? How you doing today, lovely people from around the world? Today the plan is very simple. I'm gonna drive from Kuta Square, which is this one, until the Seminyak 66 area La Plancha. That's the road, coastal road. Basically the road is just next to the beach all the time. Now the gate to the Legian Road is open, so it's good opportunity to do that like that, because in normal conditions the gate is closed and you have to go around. However, now it's open, so you can go just straight forward next to the beach all the time. Yeah, that's how it looks. This is the Jamie Olivier and Hard Rock shop, Grand Ina Kuta, and this is the main gate to the Kuta beach. It's just 5 p.m. Beautiful afternoon. As you can see, nice weather, especially to compare to the past few days. The weather is very nice today. Nice day for the ride. This is the Hard Rock Cafe, very famous, characteristic place in Kuta area. Obviously I will drive very slow to show you how is the situation. Yeah, Mercure Kuta is open. Here Starbucks is still open. Actually was closed for, oh my god, almost 9 months, but they finally open. Over here used to be a McDonald's. I make a special vlog about bankruptcy of McDonald's. If somebody not familiar or new on our channel, I will maybe link somewhere or put the link into description or the comment section, so you can watch the video about the Kuta McDonald's bankruptcy and also the Poppies Lanes. That was about 3 or 4 months ago. However, until now nothing actually has changed, so worth to see. This is the Sheraton and Beach Walk. However, as you can see, even this afternoon is golden hour. Supposed to be very busy, but it's not really. I mean, it's some people are chilling inside the restaurants and everything. However, it's very far to the stage of the normal conditions. However, quite many bikes here, so that's the optimistic view. Some people are probably on the beach. Now it's still better because they opened the entrances to the beach, which is everywhere over here. Currently it's open, but previously was closed for many months, so it's actually improvement. Wina Holiday Villa over there. If you are somehow not familiar with the area of Kuta, Legia and Seminyak, I just would like to tell you, as this street, especially the area what we passed, but this one as well, at that time until 7-8 p.m. is so busy and so crowded. Always is traffic, a lot of people around, a lot of pedestrians. However, yeah. Most of you who are watching us, they know this is the new hotel called Smamaka, by the way. I think that was an ex-Cittadines hotel. They sold, bankruptcy, and the new brand come and bought this. It's finished. Unfortunately, it's quite expensive. I mean, yeah, this is the Stones Hotel. The Stones and the Pullman are open again, which is a very good sign. However, I don't think so, as they are very busy. Mostly they are open and basing. They're looking for the customers who coming there for the day pass, swimming pass, like we was with Winnie a few days ago in Sanur Hotel, one in the Puri Santan in Sanur. So basically you pay fee like 150, 200, 300, depends of hotel, and you can enjoy the hotel facilities, pool, And that's how it looks in the Kuta. And now is the time to go into Legian area. As you can see, this is the entrance and this is the gate. Usually this gate is closed and you are not allowed to come by car or bike here. Actually, I'm not sure if you can still come by car here. However, by bike is totally no problem, and this is already Legian Beach. I'm here quite regularly now, at least once a week in the Legian Beach, Kuta Beach. So if you are new on the channel, you can check the old videos out. For many of you who watching us every day, you're really familiar with the area. Last time when I was here, it was very bad weather and I was here and jumped running to this Azul Beach Club. That was so funny actually. But the weather was totally so bad at that time. Today it's much better. This is the Legian Beach and this is the Mandira Hotel for everyone. As you can see, Beach Resort Spa Mandira, and that's how it looks, the situation. Here are some people, fast food like always. Oh, bumpy road. Here is the parking. I used to do the live stream also. Unfortunately, making a live streams in Bali is quite difficult for me because of the internet issue and other issues also. So currently I have to making vlogs like this if I wanna show you the specific areas of Bali. However, I hope so you enjoy. Like always, this is the, over there is the Padma Resort in Legian. It's very quiet, but it's very also peaceful at the same time. Everywhere over here is the Legian Street, I mean Legian Beach, and usually it's a lot of warungs. Yes, you can enjoy the beer, coke, whatever you like. However, and currently in current situation is closed. I mean, many warungs are closed. As you can see, the street is also very quiet. But that's how it looks. I will go inside. I can see as I can come here, so I will just show you quickly the beach situation. Unfortunately, it's not closed, but it's dirty. I mean, but always people cleaning this, and the machinery over here, as you can see, there is some plastic they will put somewhere it, I'm not sure where. Okay, let's go to the continue. We're gonna heading slowly to 66 area, which is 66 area is definitely much more alive. This is already Melasti Bar, and I think actually this is the Melasti Beach over here already. Melasti Beach Legian, because it's one Melasti Beach in Uluwatu. My favorite beach in Uluwatu is actually called Melasti. That's interesting fact. Over here you have Puri Raja Hotel, Mozzarella. Unfortunately, all is closed. Here is hotel closed, Kitana restaurant closed, Bali Nixoma closed, and unfortunately it doesn't look busy, right? But that's how it is, and I'm trying to show you every time, every single day, that's how it is. I'm not doing like I'm not gonna like recording here for all entire day and just cut the parts when it's something interesting happening, just to make a vlog 5 minutes as everything is like before, because it's not, as you can see. But I believe as you are interested about to watch the how it is really is, because it's so many videos on YouTube actually, as you can see, as everything is beautiful. This is the Jayakarta Hotel, also it's closed. Sunset Dream Bar closed, unfortunately. So many places are closed, unfortunately. this is over here. This is the bakso area already, bakso region. So people coming here to having bakso and beer. I used to be with Winnie in the past 2 months or 1 month 2 times, especially during the after Christmas and maybe 2 weeks ago in the 2 different weather conditions. So if you're interested and you missed the vlog, I will also try to show somewhere, link below or up somewhere. But yeah, eventually here is definitely much busier, and we are very close to the 66 beach, Seminiak. Some bikes here, some people, definitely much more life than in Legian. Basically the Kuta have a little bit of life. The Kuta have a little bit of life, and then there was some army. Yeah, like I said, Kuta have a little bit life. Legian unfortunately is totally quiet, as you saw 2 days ago video about the Garlic Lane. It's really, Legian is so quiet, so sad. This is the 66 already, and 66 Luxury Hotel Resort Seminiak. I also make a lot of vlogs in this area in the past 2 months, at least 5. Being here on the beach, being here on the everywhere in the even the La Plancha famous, which is at the front. However, I have to say, as now is February and it's definitely very quiet. What I can say, normally when I still had the car, I used to park here, and yeah, was still place for the park the car. However, was very quiet, but now yeah, that's how it is. Here the place is Hotel Indigo. Everything is unfortunately closed. Oh, here is nice place. I'm heading now into La Plancha. I just drive slowly. This road is already not allowed for cars, but we still can drive a bike, as you can see, by the way. And this is at the front of me is already La Plancha, famous La Plancha, very famous beach club in Bali, in Seminiak area. Probably one of the not many who is active, and it's kind of busy. At least some people are every day there, to compare to the other places. That's how it looks. I wish to drive electric skateboard or electric scooter, like a small one. I think I already told a few times about that. However, the in current situation it's not possible, so I have to drive slowly by bike. But I hope so the sounds of the engine is not disturbing too much, and it's no problem for you. As you can see on the beach also, some people here, this beach is actually clean, the temple, because people cleaning that all the time, every single day. Here is some doors. Yeah, that's how it looks, the situation. And actually I'm in Seminiak, and this is the Anantara Bali Resort. Alright guys, so that's it for today's vlog. I hope so you enjoyed. I tried to show you as much as possible for different perspectives. Like always, big thumb up if you like, and see you tomorrow. See ya, take care guys.